feels like 100 years ago.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a weekend cleaning motivation for you guys, so stay tuned. Today I'm starting off with my husband's laundry. Every day I'm trying to do at least one load of laundry, so today is my husband's turn. So I'll wash it and dry it and put it in a basket for him, and he'll go ahead and fold it and put it away.
I wonder where you are and if life is good to you. Have you kept your copy from the photo booth that day?
So I wanted to go in the living room, straighten it back up and wipe down the tables, but I'm also planning on vacuuming and shampooing the walkway area. So when our master bedroom flooded, the people like these guys were coming in here to help us fix our room. They were coming in and out of the house, so of course with their shoes on. So that whole area, I feel like it looks a little dark, plus it's a little dirty. The rest of the carpet in the living room is not bad at all, because we technically don't walk with shoes in the house, but because we had a lot of workers coming in and out of the house, walking from that area straight into the master bedroom, I wanted to make sure to shampoo.
Time is a thief. It works fast when you look away. What I'd give.
While I was dusting right here, right there by that little birdhouse, I found a dead fly. My kids are great at killing flies, but they'll leave a dead fly right there where they killed it at in a hot second.
The summer days. Those summer days.
Comment down below, what are your plans for this weekend? I know a lot of people clean on weekends. Some don't, but some do because they work throughout the week, so that completely makes sense. Growing up, we cleaned on Saturdays, sometimes Fridays, but Saturdays was always the cleaning day. So what are you planning this weekend?
Calling you up at 2 in the morning, but you don't want to talk, you don't want to.
In one of my last few videos, I think it was 2 videos ago, where you guys saw me cleaning out my vacuum, and you can always tell the difference once you clean out the vacuum how much more it suctions up. So I was cleaning the living room and then it sucked up a bunch of dirt, and I'm like, dang, it hasn't been that long since I vacuumed. But that's how you get to really see how dirty your carpets get. Even though it may not look dirty to you, they actually are.
Stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no rose.
So comment down below if you are just like me. I absolutely love shampooing the carpet. Like, I love it. I find it so satisfying. You know how people power spray outside? I find that very satisfying as well, because I like to see the dirt roll off. Well, same thing for the carpet. I love seeing the dirty water that I just clean off the carpet. I find it so satisfying. So here's for you guys that absolutely love shampooing carpet and love watching this part of the video.
I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right.
I know I'm gonna get asked. This is a Hoover shampooer. We got this from Walmart, and it was $100, but we got it on sale for $88. It's a pet cleaner type of shampooer, but it does an amazing job. As y'all know, I don't have any pets, but it cleans just as good, and it's super lightweight. My daughter can actually pick it up with one hand.
Like you can, I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me,
Now I am in my master bedroom, so I'm gonna make the bed. It's always good to make your bed every single day. Sometimes I slack off on the weekends. I don't think it's really a big deal, but I notice throughout the week when I make my bed, I definitely see a difference. Your room could look a whole hot mess, but if your bed is made, your room could look more put together.
I think I might be over my troubles since you came around. Something struck me. Oh, lately I've been caught up in my mind. Oh, it's not hard to see.
Most of the time I will come in here and dust my room with a Swiffer duster, but like every 2 weeks I will dust it with my end dust, and it does a pretty good job on the wood.
You saw right through it all. Oh, I could not fake it, no matter how I tried. Ooh, you cured my aching heart when you came around. I saw a million signs. I must be over it by now. There's a reason why. I think I might be over my troubles. Yeah, they've been there for so long now. 'Cause suddenly I think of tomorrow. Yeah, since you came around. I feel like the only one who found out the reason why. Oh, I was just lonely.
Now that my room is clean, I'm getting ready to light up a candle. I love the smell of candle, especially when you've just cleaned a room. I love lighting up a candle, or at least diffusing some essential oils. I always have to have something that smells good burning in the room.
Oh, it's you and me. Yeah, 'cause I cannot fake it, no matter how I feel. Yeah, 'cause you heal my aching heart when you come around. I saw a million signs. I must be over it by now. There's a reason why. Oh, I think I might be over my troubles. They've been there for so long now. It's over. 'Cause suddenly I think of tomorrow. Yeah, since you came around. Yeah, I feel like the only one who found out the reason why. Oh, I was just lonely. But since you came around, I could see. All I see is tomorrow.
This is the side of the room that we had the flooding in, and right now you can't even tell that we even had any flooding problems a week or two ago.
I heard from a friend of mine who saw you just the other day. Oh, I guess that you were back in town. It's been a long time since you've been around. Remember when we used to make the streets unsafe together, baby? We were young and foolish then. Oh, how I wish we could go back again. I've decided it's been too long, baby. Reaching out to touch your heart, hope for a maybe. I get a one-way.
Now it's time to clean my bathroom. If some of you notice, I actually changed the greenery in my bathroom. I got these are called lamb's ear, and I got them from Hobby Lobby. Their florals is actually 50% off right now, and I got 4 stems, and I feel like they look so good right there. So I'll be cleaning the mirrors with a jar glass cleaner, and then I'll be using the Clorox bathroom cleaner, but this one is the bleach free kind. I found this one at Target when I went last week. They had 2 and I left one there, and I bought 1, and it works amazing. It disinfects just like the regular cleaner, but if you cannot stand the smell of bleach, this is definitely a alternative because it does the exact same thing as the other one. It's just without the smell.
If you want, I'll come back again.
Those of you who don't know, I recently started a vlogging channel called Simply Yesenia, and the link will be down in my description box. So over there, I pretty much post whatever I want that's not cleaning. Like this is my main channel, so this is where I do my cleaning videos. But over there, I post my vlogs, my grocery hauls, my Dollar Tree videos, or soon I will be posting a DIY. So basically, I post whatever I want over there, and I really don't have a schedule, and I really like the fact that I have that kind of freedom over there. So if that's the kind of content that you like, I hope you guys go check me out over there.
Hope for a maybe. I get a one-way ticket down the memory lane. There are 2 hearts beating. Just nothing will ever be the same. We had a chance, babe, to work it all out, but we blew it on our foolish pride. And now I wanna scream and shout. I love that I love you. Wanna shout. To work it all out, but we blew it on our foolish pride. And now I wanna scream and shout. Wanna shout that I love you, baby, yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Now I have to finish the bathroom off with sweeping my bathroom floor. My husband is a hairy man. He got a big old beard, so there's always hair everywhere. Not to mention, this is where I comb my daughter's hair, so there's always hair on the floor, so I come in here and sweep. But recently, I just got a cordless vacuum, and I can't wait to show it to you guys in my next video. That will be a game changer, so I don't have to bring out the broom or my vacuum with the cord, because it'll just be a lot easier. Now for the last room that I am doing in this video, and this is my hall bathroom, the bathroom that pretty much everyone uses, and the bathroom that if guests come over, this is what the bathroom they will use. So I always try to make sure that this bathroom stays clean. I always like to have a clean toilet. I really do not like cleaning the bathroom, you guys. I really don't, but I can't stand a dirty bathroom. You will not see me put my tush on a dirty toilet. So I always try to keep it clean as much as possible.
It's a cold embrace, ain't it? It's a big mistake to be falling back to the stuff we know will fail. Stole my thoughts for no given reason, none at all. No, it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I wanted. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I wanted. I still make sense. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise, and make it through all our flaws, all our flaws, all our flaws, all our flaws,
this will be it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning motivation. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.